Good evening. We begin with an update to a story we brought you earlier this week. St. Paul RCMP have arrested felon Jessica Ouellette in relation to an impaired driving cause death investigation. Ouellette is facing 9 charges following a fatal crash on June 30th near Maleg, which left a man and his common-law wife dead. The man's 12-year-old daughter survived the collision after bystanders pulled her from the minivan before it was engulfed in flames. Ouellette remains in police custody. As we told you last night on Newcap News, a special announcement was made at City Hall welcoming a crime prevention program in the border city. The Lloydminster Hub program is a collaboration between RCMP and community agencies to reduce and prevent crime and make communities safer.
It's been a challenge, but I think we're getting to a point where it's becoming just another part of our community.
Child and Youth Counsellor Megan Utke represents mental health and addictions at the Hub, just one of several agencies involved. The goal to bring cases forward and work together to strategize on how best to deal with issues.
One of the examples might be bringing a family where the kids are missing a lot of school. If it is determined that it is an acutely elevated risk, then we decide who will take the lead in that event and then who will be the helping agencies.
The Hub began in Lloydminster in December 2013, and to date 80 cases have been brought forward.
Crime reduction is significant, and so when agencies get together and they can find ways to intervene early, reduce the incidence of criminal activity in a community or social problems, I mean, it works, and we've seen a significant reduction in crime in Prince Albert.
And so far, officials believe this program will continue to be a success in Lloydminster.
The uniqueness of Lloydminster and the way they've had to work together over for as long as they've existed has required those type of relationships. They really gelled a lot faster than some of the hubs that we've seen out there.
The Hub is also another way to help RCMP in situations they necessarily can't do on their own.
When we come to the causation, and most of the time it's social economical issues that people are facing, or health issues, housing issues. So these are the people that are at this table.
We've definitely seen that it's been effective. We haven't seen a lot of repeat referrals, so that's nice to see, and just getting the families the help they need has been the biggest thing.
There are currently 10 active hubs in Saskatchewan, and other communities are planning to have more on the way. Mules, alpacas, miniature ponies and more packed the Lloydminster grounds earlier today. The 31st annual Rare and Exotic Sale featured more than 50 different types of animals, including 1,000 unique birds. And as Anne Knotfate reports, it's not just for adults, as she catches up with some very young owners bringing their own animals to sell.
These kids are hugging their goats for the last time. It's a bittersweet moment as their precious pets go up for sale.
Every time I come by, there's kids petting them, and yeah, it's good to see. Hopefully they can find a good home.
Little Lane tends to the goats every day, and he says they're not easy to take care of.
It's kind of hard feeding the babies because they kind of pull away on your bottle and you kind of drop it, and then all your milk goes away.
It teaches good life skills. My kids got to get up in the morning before the bus comes and bottle feed their baby goats, and we have a couple that need bottle feeding, so it's hard work, yeah.
Bugs Bunny.
Family friend Angel Milnthorpe isn't so much about the goats, but she came to find a miniature pony and has been diligently YouTubing training techniques in preparation.
I'm hoping to get one because I want to train it and I want to teach him how to bow and everything.
Miniature ponies and goats are a big part of the sale, but the animal with the highest demand is...
The chickens are probably most popular because they're easy to house and handle, and they will lay eggs, so it's good that way.
That one's Kevin, and then that one is Jody.
And though these pygmy goats are small, Boshan says they will surprise you.
I didn't realize how much work it takes to keep them in a fence. They're little escape artists, and they're very hard to keep contained.
Anna Knotfate, Newcap News.